Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. So Cardano has done something very interesting. It is not bullish, at least not yet, but let's take a look at that. So first of all, Cardano or ADA came down here on the 12th of May to a level of around 38.5 cents. It then started to move up from that wave 3 low here to a wave 4 high in an ABC correction, not bullish, just corrective, and it then started to move down here in a wave 1, in a wave 2 to the upside, in a wave 3 down. The wave 3 I expect to be finished, so this is an impulsive move to the downside. We even made a lower low here compared to the wave B, indicating that indeed we are in an impulsive move to the downside. However, it looked to me like, and I updated the channel members earlier today, that it looked like wave 3 done, and then ABC to the upside, and I came to the conclusion, all right, this could be already the first wave down. And this here, then the second wave to the upside. However, it is currently looking like that this is not possible because it came too high. The wave, what I had labeled as wave 2, came too high. This is not possible, so the yellow wave I can take out. What options do we have then? Well, for me, the option here still is that we are in, still in the wave 4, because we cannot count 5 waves down overall. Here purple, we can't count 5 waves. This to me currently looks like an extension of the wave 4. What I could imagine that we're in is WXY pattern. Extended correction, basically here WXY, similar to a little bit more of a complex correction, but similar to what we did here. 3 waves. This was an ABC, which is similar. This here, by the way, in this wave 2 in purple was a WXY as well, and here we have another WXY. It just means it's a more complex correction. Each of these waves, ABC, 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 absolutely at the moment then my favorite, especially as we're still below here the target area here. So we haven't left the target area, we're still below the 78.6% fib level at 54 cents. At some point here I would expect then the turnaround to the downside in the wave 5, because at the moment you can see it, these are 3 waves only at the moment. Could this be already the breakout formation? It could be, but it's way too early to say, so I can't at all comment here. I mean, generally, the overall scenario for ADA has been fulfilled. We have come into this yellow target area, and I can't stress it often enough that this is the area where at any point in time, ADA and any cryptocurrency could turn around and get back into a bull run. I've said that many times before. Anybody who doesn't buy in this area should later not complain that prices have gone up. Okay, this is the target area, and it is extremely difficult to specify this any further. Primarily, I still believe we should see a lower low compared to the wave 3 low here at 38.5 cents. So this is the primary expectation, that the wave 4 here absolutely could go, has now gone to 53.7 cents. Let's actually take a look at if the retracement is still within the scope of what we would seem, normal for a wave 4, and absolutely. So the wave 4, as I believe I said to you in previous videos, is that the wave 4 retracement, also for ADA, the 38.2% fib level, and that was just reached, is the ideal retracement at 52.5 cents. So that was reached. We actually came a little bit higher to 53. But the 50% fib retracement would also still be possible, so 55.2 cents. From that point of view, nothing unusual has happened here. Absolutely not. So it's all within the scope of what we would expect also still in a wave 4. The move down has just been a little bit delayed. Okay, so this is currently what I'm looking at here. Only and only if we move here significantly above the 50% fib retracement, above 55.2 cents, then I would reconsider this, and then we need to look at if this might be something different, maybe something more bullish. But at the moment, Yeah, I said to you, I wouldn't have a lot of trust if we don't make another lower low here. I mean, ADA doesn't necessarily need to make another lower low. This would have then been the basically the completion of the correction here, this wave 3 low, and we would probably find a way to label this in a way that we can count this already as the completion. But this is disgusting, sorry, but this structure is again something that I am not a friend of, and it would be extremely hard to build, it's just awful to build here an all-time high on. So I wouldn't have a lot of trust in the chart, even as much as I like ADA, and you know I like ADA a lot. I wouldn't have a lot of trust. I want to see that lower low. I want to get below the low of the 12th of May in this wave 5 in purple. But yeah, I just gave you the key level above which we need to reconsider the chart here. Absolute invalidation point for this chart would be, I mean, even if we come once more higher, it could still then be an extension of the wave 4 here in white. Yeah, we shouldn't forget that. It could just be an absolutely awful extended correction. So as long as we are not in a confirmed uptrend, and as long as I cannot confirm to you we have seen an impulse to the upside, which would suggest the overall correction is over, I'm not going to confirm to you it's over. But what I'm doing here, and what I'm doing here, and I can't tell you what you should do, but this is the area for me of accumulation, yeah, because there is no guarantee we go even lower. Bear in mind, we've already corrected down 85 to 90%. You know, do you want to get another 2 to 3% out of here, or you know, from measured from the all-time high? Does it really matter that much if we have a target for the next larger wave up of over $4.50? You know, and then, but you could miss the low. I'm just telling you, don't complain when we start to move up from here, but also don't complain when we go lower, because we have come all the way down here. At no point so far I have confirmed the bottom, and we can always only do this by looking backwards, but I'll do it as soon as I can. Yeah, and at the moment I cannot confirm the low yet. Especially for ADA, more than for other coins, I would expect still a lower low, because ADA so far has refused to do this lower low compared to the 12th of May, but I think we'll get there, and I hope we'll get there. It would just be better for the chart. And yeah, that is my view here about ADA at the moment. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Here you can get access to the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server, you know, the community, my own buy and sell orders, and all sorts of additional content, and the weekly live stream on Sunday. And also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and you can find the links for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.